Hi, I'm Martin Hudak and welcome to Dean and Nancy on 22. Today I would like to share a very simple twist on classic espresso martini, calling back to the roots. You will need shaker and a freshly brewed espresso. In this case you can use some nicely blended house blend coffee, roasted locally, but make sure it's a fresh espresso. Now why we call it back to the roots? Because we're using one of the roots vegetables. In this case I'm using a beetroot syrup. It's a combination of a beetroot and raspberry, blended 1-to-1 with sugar and water. And we're gonna add 20 ml. Followed by locally made cold brew coffee liqueur, Mr. Black, 20 ml. And as well, locally made vodka from Melbourne, grain shaker, 40 ml. And it's time to shake. Now back to the roots. It's a beautiful fruity cocktail combining raspberries, beetroot, espresso, bit of vodka. And to enhance those beautiful berry flavors, as I mentioned, we're gonna use specifically berry mix aroma, which we're gonna put on top as a little bubble. Cheers with a back to the roots.